been doing my daily exercise and just come through Manchester city centre, and it is so strange to see it so quiet, and so I just wanted to kind of take a little bit of footage because I just don't think we'll ever see it like this again, and I just find it really, I don't know, it's kind of a bit eerie, it's a bit strange, but I still wanted just to share it with you. But the one thing that I've noticed way more, there are so many bikes, there's just people on bikes everywhere, like obviously in the city centre, but like even on like my rides, like I guess in the hills, there's just people on bikes everywhere. My dad started riding again, so I guess that's kind of like the good that's come out of it. How obviously it's going to be like that for everybody, and you know, wherever you go it's going to be quiet, but this is just so strange. I'm not going to stay long, I'm just going to head back now I've had like a minute, but yeah, I just wanted to check in, see how you're all doing. I have got very used to it, worryingly used to it, to be honest. Yeah, I know some people are having like a bit of a rough time with it, and so if you do, or you're having a bit of a bad day, message me on Instagram. Like, don't feel like you've got to, I guess, suffer on your own, because lots of different people handle it differently. But yeah, I'm just the new normal, isn't it, for a while? But I guess we're very lucky that we can still do the thing that we love, which is riding bikes. It's just very serene. Oh my god, there's a huge I've just looked up, there's a big block of offices and there's a massive blow up dinosaur in the windows. It's like, what the hell is that? It's just a huge blow up dinosaur. So on that note, I will see you next video.